AMETEK VIS works closely with OEMs to develop customized vehicular systems. With 50 years of field experience in developing solutions for vehicle applications, VIS has learned how to make its customers' products more rugged and appealing to their customers. VIS manufacture: graphical touchscreen display, intelligent control module, gauges, instrument clusters, CAN control modules and Bargarphs. VIS design is to make standard products highly configurable and trusted on the job every day in thousands of over-the-road trucks, off-highway vehicles, RVs, buses and specialty vehicles. VIS is a world leader because of our collaboration with our customers in the design and manufacturer of advanced vehicular electronic solutions. We are making our products easily available for customers through our shopping website. store.ametekiscd.com VIS